Candles have been used as a light source for more than 5,000 years. The earliest use of candles was used by the ancient Egyptians, who made torches by soaking the pithy core of reeds in melted animal fat. Candles were widely used until the introduction of the light bulb in 1879, causing a decline in candle making.
Hi, I'm Erica Hoke, and welcome to Foxfire Candle Works. We opened in June of 2019. We were inspired to open something that appealed to a wide variety of people, where anyone of different interests and tastes could come in and do something completely custom and unique to them. So when you first come into our shop, we're going to hand you a clipboard and a pen to get you started on the adventure. We have about 100 scents out on the wall at all times, and we want you to smell. We hope you find things that you love and maybe some surprises. They're in alphabetical order to maybe get you smelling some things out of your comfort zone. Once you get a good list going of the different smells that you like and love, we're gonna have you go pick the item that you're going to blend. Maybe it's a candle, maybe it's a reed diffuser, and then you'll come to the bar where we'll help you curate the greatest scent combination. When you select a jar, it will already have the perfect size wick in it. We use cotton and paper wicks and a custom blend soy wax for the cleanest burn possible. We don't add any additives like extra colors or any extra additives that would affect the burn, because we want the best burning, best smelling candle that you can get.
Early candles using animal wax was foul smelling. To combat the odor, incense sticks or boiled cinnamon was added. In colonial times, women discovered that boiling the berries of bayberry bushes produced sweet-smelling wax that burned cleanly. Over time, candles no longer were needed to light a home. Instead, they became a luxury item with aromatherapeutic benefits.
The real magic that happens here is that you can blend a custom, unique fragrance that's made exactly for you and by you to be something like no one else has. Now that we've determined the 3 scents that you'd like, we have our oil bottles here. You can see they're open. When you turn it over, it will drizzle in. We're gonna go a little at a time until we find the perfect blend for you.
Beeswax candles were introduced in the Middle Ages. Unlike animal fat, the beeswax burned pure and clean without producing a smoky flame. Beeswax was quickly surpassed by paraffin wax because of the cost. Wax has transitioned throughout history to what we now use today, which is soybean wax.
So we have custom-built wax melters that keep our wax at the perfect temperature to go together with the oils. We're going to fill your jar and give it to you to mix together. We just added the oils to the wax. They are the perfect temperature to go together. We're going to stir for about a minute. You cannot over stir it, but we want to make sure that they combine together to be the perfect candle. So now we have our wax and our oils combined. We're going to let this sit for about 90 minutes for an 8-ounce candle so that the wax can set up before we do our next step of glazing it. So we hand pull every wick after the wax has set to center it. We're going to trim the wick to the perfect 1/4 inch, and then we're going to glaze it. Glazing has 2 purposes. One is to make it pretty, because everything in life deserves to be pretty. And the second is to start it with a nice smooth finish, because when your candle starts great, it's going to burn great the whole time.
I'm Jack Cagle, and I have the privilege of serving you as the Commissioner of Harris County Precinct 4. And today I want to thank you for joining us on our Encore Excursions. This is our way of getting you, our friends, our folks that we seek to serve out and to be able to see the things that we used to be able to see together, but now safely and virtually. In the meantime, we hope to continue to bring other events and other excitement to you. Stay safe, stay well, and we hope to see you soon in person.